This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now at the Green Energy Fair in Zagreb and they have a few cars here and I just happened to come across this Lynk & Co 02. It's based on the same platform as the Seeker X. It's from Geely. I think I've seen them mostly around Sweden, but maybe also other countries. You can see the Seeker badge here. Alright, so I'm going to do a first impression of this car. Let's start with externals. Charge port is on the left side with the right side, not the right side with the wrong side. Yeah, Isabella is playing around here somewhere. Let's see, always trying to find a way. Does it have, oh, it has electric lift gate. No more popcorn for you, Isabel. Okay. So we have oak-sized trunk. Well, this thing is freaking heavy. No, it's just okay. So actually, some space under the trunk to open up more space. It should be similar to the Seeker X, right? We have a 12-volt outlet here. Sorry, it's kind of dark right here. It's weird because the rest of the expo area is quite bright, but not just right here. But okay. So decent size trunk. Achtung, Isabel, Achtung. Okay. And then let me check. Well, it's kind of clumsy on this side, but okay. Let me move this a bit. It seems like it was not optimized for checking out the car. Let me start with the back seats. Oh, not that much. Oh, okay, no. I think the front has been pushed quite far back. Okay, let me get an impression what it looks like here. Seems to be good headroom, right? Okay, get inside. Oh, okay. The seats feels kind of short. Let me get inside here, get better view here. Yeah, they are a bit shorter than most other cars. Maybe not as short as the Volvo EX30. Yeah, Isabel is coming here. But I have okay headroom here. About a fist of clearance. Maybe I should. Can I open here? Yeah, get a little more light here. Harman Kardon speakers. Actually nice soft materials. Oh, you want to close the door, Isabel? Well, you're too small for that. Okay, let me close the door for you. Okay, close. You see, you have this type of door closing thing. I hope we don't get trapped here in case of fire. Okay, bam. Yeah, we have one USB-C, one USB-A. We have 12-volt outlets. I'm about to get crushed. Someone opened the door and it did the convenient entrance something there. But I was gonna find out. There's supposed to be a 12-volt outlet here. How do you open it? Strange. It's not that intuitive how to open this thing. Okay, I haven't figured out how that works. But let me check here. We have center console, 2 cup holders. No ski opening though. This thing keeps going. This is weird. It goes when they open the door. Okay, it keeps going back. Oh, it's gonna crush me. Oh, look at that. Okay, it doesn't check for any weight in the rear, right? It doesn't. It just ignores the. You see that? It ignores whoever's sitting in the back. That's kind of clumsy. We have air vents here. A full glass roof here. When I approached the car earlier, there was no one here. Now, of course, typically, when they're going to shoot video, then lots of people are around here. Okay, I'll leave that open. Okay, Isabel's coming out. Yes. Okay, Isabel, come on. Get out of here. Yes, she can climb out of it. Okay, great. And then we close the door. And then on this side, you check it from... Yeah, so it does that easy entry thing. Actually goes quite far back. I would disable that in case we have car seat in the back or people there. So we have electric adjustable seat here. Hello. We have center console here. Oh, interesting design on this. We have a cup holder that can be folded down here. Some phone chargers there. One USB-C there with 60 watt. Oh, I need to test that. Okay, we have actually a small frunk here. I don't remember how it was in the Seeker X. Easy access on this washer, yeah, and it has just one lid. This is how it's supposed to be. I remember there's some car there was one lid and then another lid just to open it. But here, you can't really. Nope, no engine here. Yes, that's great. I like it. I like it. They have some humor. Okay. There, and then it seems like now it's kind of latched on this side, but not fully latched on that side. So you have to, there. Now it's latched on both sides. Okay, now the ladies are gone. I'm gonna check I have brought my laptop here. I'm gonna check the 60 watt. Because I plugged in there. I'm gonna plug in the laptop now. Okay, it's this direction. Okay, the laptop is probably at around, yeah, but it should be able to take some charge. But it actually charges. Oh, sorry. You see it on the laptop there. It's always a bit too bright. There. So it's actually taking 40 watts. It should optimally take around 50. I've seen around 50 watts on the laptop. It's slowly ramping up. 40. Well, yeah, okay. It's been a long day. Long delay. Yeah. So, but this is good. I'm not sure exactly how many volts is needed, but yeah. So based on this, it could be 20 volt, 3 amps then. Okay. Anyway, what the heck is this? Sign to use car sharing. What the heck? What? No. Sorry. My bad. Back. Okay. Relatively big screen. And well, I can actually keep the laptop charging now. Yeah, why not? Instrument cluster here. Sending data to China. 360 camera. All right. Yeah, the gear stock here. And then, oh, you see, it's cool. It's doing the animation on that side when you blink on that side. And then, it's like it has the sexy strip included. Nice. And then I can also show here, we actually have Spotify, USB music, all that, CarPlay. Where's Android? Where's Android Auto? There, Android Auto is here. Yeah, alles gut, Isabel.
Daddy, Auto.
Yeah, Auto. You like electro autos? Okay, let me see. Let me check. Okay, let me see. So it has this like style door opener. I'm just checking here. Do we have an emergency? There is the emergency release. So I'm gonna test that also. If you do this, wait for the. So it had that easy access. But if I try the. Yeah, okay. The emergency opener. For emergency, you should know where it is, like in your emergency exit on the airplane. In case you are trapped in here, right, then that should get you out. Drive safe. There's like tiny little things around here. Also, you see that, let me see if try to see if I can, no, okay, yeah. Passenger seat preference. Isabel is pressing some buttons there. She's testing the car for me. Okay, well, I'm gonna test here. If I go home, okay, then no, I'm gonna go to some car setting. Is it setting or is it car setting? Usually, I'm looking for some kind of car icon. Not sure where the heck it is. She keeps pressing that thing. It is here, but you see, as long as she keeps pressing that button, it will pop up here. Yeah, so Isabel, can you stop that for a bit? Halt! Yeah, so let me see where the heck is the, what? It's not that easy to find out where to adjust the, noob, it's done here, of course. Okay, but it has this Polestar style side mirror adjustments. And let me check here. Headroom here is plenty. Just all over the place. Kids, you cannot control them. It's just doing the endurance testing. As you can see that a 3-year-old can easily climb in the back there, no problem. Oh, okay. Well, the shoes are not that dirty, so yeah. But I mean, great. Where we see kilometers, but do we see percent here? But I like the big screen here. And yeah, it's a big center console here. Wow. Okay. Well, actually, this is not that big. Okay. But overall, seems to be a decent car. Let me check something else here. Do we actually have okay space? Yeah. Some cars, they come with tiny door pockets. Why does this matter? Because I tend to put a little pillow here for when I need to nap, right? And then also a bottle, and the bottle should fit here. Some cars, they have way too small door pocket here. There you guys have it. Lynk & Co. 02. A good alternative to the Seeker X I already tested. Yeah. Then will it come to Norway or some other countries? It's weiß nicht, but it looks and feels nice. Yeah. That's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later. It's a bell. Ha there.
Bye bye.
See you at 7.